and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki Janae for those of you that are new. Today we are going to be getting into green look. I don't know where I really got it from, but I was really inspired to pop out and do some color, and I am using this Juvia's Place palette today, the Nomad palette. There's some really pretty colors. This is me stepping out of the box and continuing to do different colors, and it actually turned out really cute. I really love it. So if you really like this look, you like this palette, it was only, I want to say, 15 bucks. Juvia's Place is not expensive. They have really great pigmented, you know what I'm trying to say. But they have really good eyeshadows for their price. I love them. You get a lot of product in their palette. So if you guys really like this look, don't forget to like and comment, and also subscribe, and please turn on your notification bell. So I hope you guys enjoy this look. Continue watching. Alright, favorite primer of the year, the Milk Hydro Grip. I feel like they should have a campaign with me on it because I use it so much. Anyways, we want to make sure we get that nice and tacky, and then I'm going to move on to Becca's Backlight primer. I like this primer because it gives me a natural glow. I don't like to look matte. Oh my gosh, what is that on my forehead? So we're going to move on to the under eye cream by Becca. I feel like I have dark circles. You may not think I do, but I think I do. So we're going to cover them up. And I'm just going to make sure it gets nice and blended. It's a little light first, but it's cool. I've been really loving this Fenty foundation. It gives me a nice coverage, and it is hydrating because your girl has eczema. We're gonna blend that all over. Even with me having these breakouts, I feel like it gives me the coverage I need without looking cakey. I don't like a cake face. Not me. Alright, so now that we have that blended, I'm going to go in with my Marc Jacobs concealer. I'm typically not a cream concealer girl, but she got me. I really love this concealer a whole lot. I'm always giving like brands a gender. I'm like, oh, she this. We're going to go in and blend her out. Look, doing it again. I can't help it. So we're going to use the Nars concealer in Amande, and I'm going to bring some warmth back to my face using that concealer, and also I'm going to carve this nose out. Bad boy, carve it out. But this is one of my favorite brushes. I want to say it's by Luxie. What is her name? JD Weighty. This is her brush with Luxie. I love it. Alright, so now I'm going to use that same foundation brush to blend out my concealer contour. I'm just going to get snatch. But I did have to go in with a clean brush because I felt like my nose contour was a little bit too harsh. So you can have to go back in with a clean brush to blend it out. So now we're going to set all of the face. We're going in with my Chanel powder. And Private Island, I just bought it. I love it. Fenty, she's been coming through for me. Pretty good. Of course, her brow pencil. If you want an in-depth brow tutorial, I have one. So go check it out. So don't be mad that this is spit through, okay? These brows look good. But anyways, we always use 2 brow pencils. And now I'm just gonna clean her up. I'm trying to keep up, but I'm keeping up, so don't rush me. But we're going to clean it up, make sure these brows look nice and sharp, even though I haven't had them waxed in a couple of weeks, but she still looks good. And every time I do eyeshadow, I make sure I get some fallout, some powder to catch that fallout. Okay, and that was the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And we're just going to go back over and set that. Juvia's Place Nomad palette, and that was, they don't have names for this palette, which really sucks. So this is why I'm giving you guys the colors right here. So we're going to go in with that yellow shade and blend that all out, and then the orange shade, and we're just going to keep packing that color in. the yellow and then the greens kind of combine together. And then going back in with my Makeup Forever brush to make sure everything is really seamless. This is a really good blending brush. I love it. So now into the green, we're going to start that green color and just start packing and blending her in. Pack, pack, blend, blend. I can't sing. And I have hooded eyes, so this can be very hard sometimes for those colors to show. So we're going to pack that Shimmer Color all over the lid, packing with a flat brush, and make sure she gets all over the lid. So cute. All right, so now we're going to go in with a deeper shade in the crease area to kind of bring that color back where it just kind of disappeared a little bit. And then we're going to we're gonna line it. Okay, so we're gonna line it. I don't think I didn't use gel liner. That is cute. She's cute. And I'm going to do bottom eyeshadow this time. So same color we used on top, going back on the bottom. Same color on top, back on bottom. And we're just blending. I always make sure I really blend the bottom too. I don't like it to look super harsh or anything like that. So for lashes, we're going in with Lilly lashes in Rome. I've used these bad boys at least 20 times by now, so they're like wear and tear basically, but they're still hanging in there. They're still hanging. Now we're just dusting off all that mascara. Coat those lashes to make sure they are blended together. Alright, so for blush, the Anastasia palette. I love her blush palettes. Now you get 3 in 1. And then we're going in with the Becca Champagne Pop. I haven't used highlighter in forever, but we are going to glow today, okay? Glowing. Inner tear duct, and we have to get the brow bone and the nose. I need my nose snatched. I feel like I have a little butt nose, so I'm gonna get her together. I feel like my nose is stuffed. I can't talk. So now we're going to use ColorPop's lip liner to line my lips. And I've been obsessed with colors lately, so we're lining with ColorPop. They have some really good liners too. Like they really glide when they're not like chalky or anything like that. I'm going in with Dose of Colors lipstick. That was actually Sweet and Sassy. Ooh, I'm sorry I didn't get that name for you guys. And then I'm a gloss girl, so we're using Fenty's Gloss Bomb, period. Okay. I'm always forgetting to do something. Don't forget to set your brows. Please don't. Don't do me.